y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, and this is how to make your own ghost pepper and Carolina Reaper chips on the cheap. So what you'll do is start off with a popular store brand potato chips, save some money there. I like these chili cheese corn chips, and add enough seasoning. This is a matter of personal preference. Put it in there, and after you do, what you're going to do is just gently shake the bag of chips to distribute those spices. And you can find the seasoning like I use linked within this video's description. I feel this is the perfect balance of heat and flavor, and this is really good. A lot less expensive solution than going out and buying those expensive gourmet ghost pepper or gourmet Carolina Reaper potato chips. Tell me what you think within the comment section below, and be sure to subscribe and ring that bell icon when you do. Hey y'all, Captain IrixGuy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.